हेलो। 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 हाँ 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 हाँ, नहीं आ रहा है। ओ, मेरा आ रहा है क्या? मेरा। ओ। ओ, तुम्हारा नहीं आ रहा है। ऑडियो। सेम है सिस्टम। फिर भी बताओ अभी। स्पीकर्स ऑन ही है, सिलेक्ट स्पीकर, स्पीकर्स ऑन ही है, सेम है सिस्टम। ओके। हाँ। हेलो। हेलो। हाँ। यहाँ सेंस कर, यहाँ भी सेंस करना होगा ना अभी। हाँ, माइक्रोफोन में ले जाना पड़ेगा ना। बताओ।
हेलो हेलो सर।
जी आया।
अभी आ रहा है?
क्या आता है?
नहीं, पहले बाद में नहीं।
क्या
Yeah, morning
प्रॉब्लम है?
sir.
मॉर्निंग। और
Yes sir. First day sir, first day बहुत अच्छा गया sir, without glitch. So internet problem नहीं हुआ. So hope कि आज भी कुछ problem ना हो from our host side और आपके speaker side से.
हाँ, मेरा अभी तो इंस्टीट्यूट नेट ही लगा रहा हूँ, तो बाद में अगर ये पावर चला जाएगा तो मोबाइल से लेना पड़ेगा,
Yes sir. Yes sir. Yes sir.
है ना?
No problem sir. No problem sir. We can wait. We can wait sir.
हम्म,
No problem. सर आप अपना स्क्रीन शेयर करके देखिए सर.
स्क्रीन खोला ही नहीं।
अरे यार. शेयर स्क्रीन का ऑप्शन आया सर.
आएगा।
Yes sir. Yes sir.
हम्म।
Coming sir.
ठीक है। ओके, रेडी
No
देन।
problem sir.
और मैं 1 घंटा से ज़्यादा नहीं लूँगा। कल
Yes sir. Yes sir.
सौरभ कल बहुत टाइम लिया रे।
Oh sir.
तो अभी इतना काम भी मेरा, और दूसरा काम भी बहुत आ गया है। अभी सप्लीमेंट्री एग्जाम का काम आ गया है। हेक्टिक हो गया। मंडे से सप्लीमेंट्री है, अभी तक कुछ आया ही नहीं नोटिस। ऑनलाइन लेना है, अभी क्या कैसे करूं, एकदम फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गया।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
लेकिन तुम लोग बहुत अच्छा किया ना, ये लॉकडाउन में भी सब कुछ सक्सेसफुली बढ़िया अरेंज हो गया।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Good.
Hopefully, sir, अच्छा जाना है सर आज का दिन भी।
Hello, sir. Hello.
ये स्लाइड शो कर देता हूँ मैं।
हाँ, स्लाइड शो कर दीजिए सर। From beginning, sir. Okay, sir. Fine.
एलिजिबल है वो?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. Okay, sir.
ठीक है। ओके, लेट अस वेट देन ना।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's sir wait, sir. Wait करते सर 10 बजे शुरू करते सर। ओके सर, ओके सर। सर मैं कुछ सेटिंग कर लेता हूँ सर। ओके सर।
तो मैं बंद करके रखूँ या क्या करूँ?
Hello. हेलो सर, सॉरी सर का वो हो गया क्या? देखिए तो। हेलो। हेलो। अरे sorry, sorry. Hello, sir. Please unmute, sir. Unmute, sir. Unmute. Hello,
सुनाई
sir.
पड़ रहा है?
Morning, sir. Morning, sir. Morning, sir.
मॉर्निंग मॉर्निंग पावर चला गया था।
Okay,
पावर
okay, okay. So it's everything fine now, sir?
शुड बी।
Okay, okay, okay. So, sir, let's wait for another 5 minutes so that a participant will join.
नो प्रॉब्लम।
5 minutes, just 5 minutes. So, dear participants, we are about to start our program, our day two program. So, just let's wait for 5 minutes so that other participant can also join. Jadi kop 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 kiri kalau ya, cai.
Stars and the flag of the sun. The expansion of the
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, sir. Okay, sir, let's start. Uh, uh, Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, sir.
हाँ
सर
start.
आपका यहाँ सर आप वीडियो ऑन कर लीजिए. Okay, good morning, everybody. Good morning, our esteemed speaker, Dr. Kamal Saria, sir, and my
Morning.
participants. After a we are waiting for the participant. Okay, it's okay. Okay. So after a successful first day one, here we are starting our day two of 3 days national webinar lecture series on the advancement and innovation in modern physics. So let's start our today's program. So our first speaker of day two is Dr. Kamal Saharia, sir. He's my mentor, he's my guru. Sir is presently working as assistant professor in NERIST. He done his MSc from Tezpur University. He done his PhD from the Center of Plasma Physics, Sonapur, Guwahati. Has teach both UG and PG level, guiding many PhD scholars. Field of research is theoretical plasma physics, nonlinear phenomena, plasma shield, waves, and instability, and coherent and structure. And sir has published number of research paper in national and international reputed journal. So I welcome you on behalf of Department of Physics, Jain College, and IQSCL. Welcome, sir, and we're looking forward to hear a wonderful talk on plasma basics and introduction from you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Enoch. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the JNC fraternity to have such a nice webinar in this condition of pandemic condition, and we are able to speak to all of you. So a great congratulations to all of you, especially Department of Physics and the coordinators, Dr. This Yana and Enoch, and HOD Physics. So my topic, I like to share the screen. Today's my topic is on basics of plasma physics, sorry, and its applications. So it is. I will not go in depth of the uh, plasma. Just some introductory level I will talk. That is, this is the topic: plasma physics, basics and applications. And here, plasma, probably nowadays plasma word is familiar to you, but it is in the context of the COVID-19. That is a plasma in biology. No? That is plasma in biology, but mine is plasma physics. So, but it has an analogy. It has an analogy in the sense that this plasma is an ionized gas and it contains the charged particles, that is electrons, ions, and maybe some neutrals. And in biology, this plasma that contains the RBC and the WBC and some platelets. So it is RBC, WBC, and platelets are immersed in the plasma. So in that sense, it has some analogy, but it is not that plasma. This is physics plasma, and it is the physics of some charged gas. So I will talk in detail about this. What are these uh, plasmas? So I will cover basic outlines. That is, what is plasma physics? Plasma at fourth set of matter, then definition of plasma, a little bit about some basic parameters, occurrence of plasma, nature and man-made plasma, importance of plasma study, then production of plasma, and method of study, plasma research, why we require plasma research, and the application. So what is plasma physics? So it is a branch of physics actually. So, but it has a new one, relatively new and fast-growing branch of physics, because of its vast range of research and applications. And it is too fast. Actually, it is very much diverse field. Uh, if I say I am a plasma researcher, it is actually wrong, because it is plasma physics is such a vast field that I can have only a small part. I can contribute only a small part. No, it is not possible to cover all the things for a single researcher. Then why it is so important nowadays in present days? That is because of the controlled thermonuclear fusion reaction. It is one of the prime interests of the present plasma physicists. Present plasma physicists, it is one of the prime interests of as a uh, alternate source of renewable energy. Then industrial application, there are lots of industrial applications based on plasma technology, just like IC fabrication, thin film deposition, display systems, um, then display just like your plasma TV, nanoscience, bioscience, medicine, and many more. The present scenario demands number of plasma scientists and engineers, and hence many institutes and universities introduce plasma physics in their curriculum in recent days, and most of have their courses in from earlier also. And we have in our NAIRS also, we have one plasma paper as elective paper. So, and if we take plasma, then it is easy for you, that is in postgraduate level, it is easy for you to have research in future. Although plasma physics is studied as different and advanced branch of physics, as a separate branch actually, but it draws methodology from diverse fundamental areas of physics, such like electrodynamics. This is a basic one. Electrodynamics, we must have the well grip in the electrodynamics. Maxwell equations are very much associated with the study of plasma. Then statistical mechanics, kinetic theory, then fluid mechanics, and the atomic or nuclear physics. So it is fabrication of all. You will require all the grips of these diverse fundamental areas of physics to have this plasma physics. But we take this state as a fourth state of it, as a defined state of it, matter. So why? Why this is fourth state of matter? So matter, that is having state of matter that is having anything mass and occupying space and made up of atoms or molecules. But light, heat, these are not matter because they are not occupying any space or mass. States of matter, this is fourth state of matter. So what is state of matter? It depends on the relative magnitude of the random thermal kinetic energy and the interparticular binding energy of the molecules. So this binding energy and the kinetic average kinetic energy or thermal energy is the main thing which defines the states of matter. So on heating a substance, when thermal kinetic energy of the particle exceeds the binding energy, there results in phase change. So which is occur at constant temperature for a given pressure. So we can have from liquid to solid to liquid, then gas. So then after that, what will happen? So after that, it is the gas to plasma actually, and it is a, you can say in broad sense, it is a phase sense, but it is actually in proper thermodynamic sense, it is not a phase sense, because it occurs gradually with increasing temperature. So it is ionization. Ionization happens. So this is how a pictorial view. When it is solid, it is tightly packed in a regular pattern, and it can vibrate but cannot move from place to place. So this is your property of the solid. But when we increase the energy to sense the state of phase sense, so it will sense to liquid, which is still uh, has the closely packed, but it is relatively less closely packed. No regular arrangement, vibrate and move about also, slide over each other. But in gas, well separated with no regular arrangement, vibrate and move freely at high speed. And in plasma, it is the different one, in the sense from the gas, it is a electrically charged particle, and it don't have any particular shape also. It is ionized gas. You can say simply in layman way, you can say it is a ionized gas. So after gas, it is ionized. No, when in increasing the binding energy required to break the binding energy. So definition of plasma. what it is. What is plasma? It is a standard definition. A plasma may be defined as a quasi-neutral collection of charged and neutral particles. That means it is not necessary that it should have always fully charged. It may contain some neutral particles also, that is partially ionized plasma, which shows a characteristic collective behavior because of long-range electromagnetic interaction, which is much larger than the short-range binary collision. So let us explain this definition. So a plasma will be defined as a quasi-neutral collection of charged and neutral particles. Quasi-neutral. What is quasi-neutral? Quasi-neutral means it is quasi-neutral